It seems as though the overall cryptocurrency market may be on the brink of a larger correction. And guys, that doesn't mean that Shiba Inu Coin is going to just spiral out of control and fall out of the sky. No, absolutely not. The overall market right now is experiencing a little bit of caution as people are looking towards the next Federal Reserve interest rate decision, as people are analyzing the inflation rate here in the United States, and it has a lot to do with more than just the Bitcoin halving and people not getting their expectations met of some sort of a wild rally. But we're going to talk about the price of Shiba Inu Coin in this video. We're going to talk about the possibility of an even further correction, yes, but we're going to put it in perspective. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. You don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're going to be getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin, Binance, Cryptonomy down in the description below. Now, guys, Cryptonomy, they offer excellent passive income for both flexible and fixed staking accounts, so make sure to check them out if you guys are looking for passive income. But be aware, if you're holding on any centralized exchange, it is a loan to or it is in the custody of that centralized exchange. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing the bro merch, grabbing the SHIB merch. Honestly, if you guys are buying anything at all on Amazon, make sure to utilize one of those 2 links down there. You don't have to buy the bro merch or the SHIB merch, but if you scroll to the top of the page, search for whatever it is that you're buying, you generate roughly a 1 to 1.5% on average commission. Some stuff is larger, some stuff is zero, but if you guys utilize that link, I burn that commission. So we're burning roughly 1 to 1.5% of any and every Amazon purchase out there, and it does accumulate very, very quickly if everybody participates. Now, we are slightly behind the accumulations that we saw during March, so I've also added a 1% commission to the Dogeverse pre-sale. So make sure to check out those videos if you haven't done so already, if you want to burn some even more Shiba Inu Coin. But guys, let's talk about this because I come across a lot of articles, some of them mixed up today. Right? And I don't know if that's because these were scheduled releases or what, or if they're just trying to maintain the optimism, but a lot of articles say that Shiba Inu Coin is on the verge of, breaking out of a bullish flag and all of this, and it's getting ready to retest 4,500 points per coin, 5,000 points per coin, 3,500 points per coin, and so on. And I get it. I mean, that's absolutely a possibility. But it doesn't just boil down to Shiba Inu Coin. If we're going to be ripping to those levels, we need overall confidence in the crypto market. We need Bitcoin, Ethereum, we need all of these coins going up if Shiba Inu Coin expects to do that. But right now, it says Shiba Inu Coin correction starts again. What's next? Now let's talk about what's next here and why the correction's happening. Shiba Inu Coin has entered correction mode despite the most recent recovery. Shiba Inu Coin has once again entered a correction phase, dipping below the 26-day exponential moving average towards the next major level of support. The bearish signal has pushed SHIB towards the next level of support near 2,000 points per coin. The asset's recent movement can be significantly attributed to almost non-existent trading volume, explaining the current market stagnancy in its market value. Perfect. So right now, guys, we don't have a lot of excited buyers. We don't necessarily have a lot of excited sellers either. So because the volume is dropping so critically, and the people who are interested in investing in SHIB continue to hold, you do have a couple people who are traders out there who are looking for the next opportunity, maybe taking some profits out of Shiba Inu Coin and trying to go to the next thing that is spiking or the next thing that's having a surge in volume. So Shiba Inu Coin is experiencing slightly more outflows than inflows at the moment, even though the volume is very subdued. The subdued activity surrounding SHIB reflects that the token is not in high demand at the moment. This lack of interest is a continuation of a recent downtrend on the market and plummeting risk demand. The industry is still reeling from an unmet expectations post-Bitcoin halving, a period that should have sparked bullish sentiment. However, the anticipated rally across major crypto assets has not materialized, leading to a risk-off approach among investors. As cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin struggle to regain their highs, altcoins, including SHIB, are also feeling the pressure. Now, if you guys watch this channel, you know that we didn't have crazy expectations of a major rip higher post-Bitcoin halving. That has actually not happened in the past 3 cycles. What does happen, though, is a very steady move higher. Yes, you have some volatility in there, but post-Bitcoin halving usually leads to the nice, steady rally, which at the peak of the bull market is when you experience that exponential rally. Things just growing at paces that are not sustainable, and then you know that you're at the bull market peak. It says this recent price correction in SHIB's value may not be an isolated event, but a segment of an extensive trend where risk appetite is low. The muted response from buyers post-halving suggests that confidence in the market is not as strong as expected, causing many to steer clear of more speculative assets like Shiba Inu Coin. Now, looking ahead, the key for SHIB will be whether it can maintain the psychological and technical level of support at 2,000 points per coin, and it is a big one. Because, guys, below that, you've got a little technical support at 15,000 or 1,500, but below that, we're back down to 12, 11, 1,000 points per coin again. And if we do fall back down to those levels, nearly a 50-60% decline from where we're at right now, it is going to be very difficult to swallow, and it's going to take a major market catalyst to get us back up to the current levels that we're at. So if SHIB manages to stabilize or even rally from this point, it could renew interest among traders looking for an additional risk exposure. Holders need to brace themselves for more volatility with Shiba Inu Coin and the market in general. Absolutely. Guys, you never know what tomorrow brings. We do have a lot of very bullish catalysts on the horizon, but we also have a very volatile year coming up. We got a lot of nonsense going on overseas right now. We're going to have a very dirty election here in the United States. It is going to cause a lot of problems for people. They're going to get very emotional. And anytime people are emotional, they begin to make very weird decisions. And that includes decisions with their money, with their investments, with their crypto. And of course, that means with Shiba Inu Coin as well. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.